Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook melon seeds. First, carefully scoop out the seeds from your favorite melon, like watermelon or cantaloupe. Make sure to separate them from any stringy pulp. Next, rinse the seeds thoroughly under running water in a colander to remove all fruit residue. Finally, spread them out on a baking sheet or clean towel to dry completely. This crucial step ensures your seeds will be wonderfully crispy when roasted. Now let's get to roasting. You have two great options, oven or stovetop. If using an oven, preheat it to around 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your dried seeds in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast for about 15 to 25 minutes. For stovetop roasting, use a dry frying pan over medium-high heat, stirring frequently until the seeds are golden and fragrant. Both methods require occasional stirring for even results. Once your seeds are ready for roasting, it's time to add some flavor. A simple drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt creates a classic, savory snack. For a sweet treat, try tossing them with cinnamon and sugar or even a touch of honey and vanilla. If you prefer a bolder savory profile, experiment with chili powder, paprika, or garlic powder. You can also pre-soak seeds in a salty brine for an hour before drying to infuse deep flavor. After roasting, let your melon seeds cool completely. They will crisp up even more as they cool. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature, where they'll stay fresh for several weeks. If they ever lose their crunch, simply pop them back into a 350-degree oven for about 5 minutes to recrisp. Enjoy these delicious, crunchy seeds as a standalone snack, or sprinkle them over salads and soups for added texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.